What's crackin'? My name is Hans and for today's video guys, i-share lang natin sa inyo yung forecast dito tungkol sa Picoin na possible na umabot siya guys ng $10 once na ma-list siya dito sa Binance. So guys, i-share natin sa inyo itong blog post na to and also bibigyan din natin kayo ng mga ideas na meron dito sa forecast na ito. Pero bago tayo mag-start guys sa pagpapaliwanag, ito pala muna yung winner ng ating 100 pesos giveaway. So every video namimigay tayo ng 100 pesos giveaway. Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is mag-subscribe at i-comment yung inyong mga GCash number. So ngayon guys, dediretso na agad tayo and let's go!
A few moments later.
So guys, ito yung bravenewcoin.com. So nakita ko dito guys sa post nila. Ang sabi dito is Pi Network price forecast, will Picoin surge to $10 with the Binance listing in March? So karamihan kasi guys dito sa Binance community, 87% sa kanila nag-vote na i-list yung Picoin dito sa Binance. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin ng 100% malilist na talaga guys yung Picoin. So ayun guys, through voting lang yon. Pero yun nga, dahil nga sa malaking community ng Picoin guys, gustong gusto nila malist ito sa Binance. And once na malist ito sa Binance, napakalaking milestone yan. So ito guys, basahin lang natin. So the Pi Network has been making headlines with its rapid price movement and growing community interest. So nung Feb 27, umangat yung price niya ng 2.78 or 2.98. So ito siya guys. Ayan. So on listing hopes, so basahin natin. Pi Network has been resilient in crypto universe, recently achieving a 15 billion market cap. So hindi biro yan guys. So ang dami niyang guys na nagpasan ng mga altcoins dito. So bago pa lang guys na list etong Pi Network na token na ito or etong coin na ito. And eto nga guys yung itong Picoin na to nasa Bitget pero wala pa siya sa Binance. And alam naman natin yung Binance ay yung pinaka prime talaga guys na exchange with regards to crypto or kung ano mang altcoin or fiat. So ayan. So ang sabi dito $2.98 or $2.98 on February 27. So Pi Network was trading above the 1.80 support at press time. So ito guys yung trading view, pwede nating i-check yan. And also guys, ito yung sinabi ko kanina sa inyo, yung Binance community vote, 86 pala guys, hindi pala 87%. So 86% nag-vote talaga na mag-agree na i-list itong Pi coin sa Binance. And also, crypto analysis master Ananda believes that Picoin could skyrocket kapag kinonfirm ng Binance yung listing dito guys ng Picoin. So napakalaking milestone yon at possible daw guys na umabot siya ng $10. Key price level to watch. So sa mga gumagamit dito guys ng trading or pinagkakitaan yung Picoin as a swing or kung nagde-day trade kayo. So ito guys So sabi dito guys, its ability to maintain and extend its rally depends on key resistance and support levels. So currently analysis are close watching the $3.67 resistance points. So ito guys yung resistance points niya. So kapag na-break yan, so ayan, successfully break past this threshold, it could target the new high, which is ang new high. So ito guys yung new high sabi sa mga analysis is 4.20 once na ma-break itong 3.67. And also alam naman natin guys sobrang volatile ng Pi Network. So kapag bumaksak yan malamang maraming magbabay niyan and syempre isi-sell nila yan kapag umangat din. So masyado kasi siyang volatile eh. So noong February 27 guys umabot siya ng 2.98. So eto naman siya ngayon. So 1.73 na lang siya. So check natin guys So eto is today which is March 4 and on March 3 check natin. So try natin in 7 days. Okay, so per week na lang natin siya guys i-check. Okay, so ito yung March 3. So nung March 3 1.58. So ito guys yung 2. Ayan. So ito ata yung 2.98. So umabot siya ng 2.98. Ito yan guys. Which is February 27. So ito yung graph niya. So kung marunong kayo mag-trade, ayan, makikita nyo naman sobrang volatile guys ng price ng Pi Network. So ilang percent agad yan pwedeng kung nag-short ka dito, kumita ka na. So from 298, ayan. So pag check mo, ilang percentage din yan. So almost or lagpas pa siya ng 30%. At ang sabi dito guys is eto pa. So sa mga nagtitrade dyan, support level is 1.80. Ayan, so pwede nyo rin i-check yan. And also guys, eto pa pala, KYC deadline extension and network growth. So sa mga hindi pa nakapag-KYC dyan, beyond market speculation, the Pi Network team recently announced an extension for its Know Your Customer or KYC verification and mainnet migration deadline. The new cut-off date is set for March 14, 2025, aligning with the project's 6th anniversary. So, ayan, grace period. So, binigyan pa kayo guys ng grace period sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-KYC dyan. Ayan. So, sabi rin pala guys, sa mga hindi nakapag-KYC or yung hindi na verified yung mga token nila, mapupunta daw yun sa burning. Okay? So, mawawala lang din guys yung inyong mga token pag hindi kayo na-verify. So, this extension aims to allow more users to complete verification and fully transition to the mainnet. The Pi team emphasized that failing to meet this deadline could result in the forfeiture of unverified mobile balances. The network success depends on verified user, the Pi Network team stated. By extending the deadline, we're ensuring inclusivity while maintaining the integrity of the ecosystem. As more users complete KYC verification, Pi's market credibility could strengthen, further boosting investor confidence. So, ito yung explanation nila regarding sa KYC. So, ayun nga, mas marami daw mag-i-invest. And also, will Pi reach $10 in March? Market analysis have been mixed on Pi's short-term potential. Some projections suggest that if the bullish trend holds, Pi could rally to 5 by April or $5 by April. Others believe a Binance listing could drive prices even higher, potential reaching $8 to $10. So kapag na-list sila sa Binance guys, kasi yung iba kasi karamihan pala talaga ginagamit dito is Binance, and kung listed pa lang siya sa Bitget, so 50% pa lang talaga yung mga nakakagamit ng Pi. So let's say 50%, so ayun, and kung malalagay siya sa Binance or malilist siya sa Binance, mas marami yung gagamit ng Pi, and syempre mas mabuboost talaga guys yung price neto. And syempre yun yung sabi nila, speculation nila by April is $5, and yun nga, kapag na-list pala sa Binance maging $8 to $10, pero by April, ayan, sabi ng mga analysis is $5. So ayan, market analysts believe that with the strong community support, PiCoin could easily reach the $10 milestone. Ayan, kasi sobrang ganda ng community and sobrang laki rin ng community guys ng Pi, and ayun nga, sobrang laki na rin ng market cap talaga ng PiCoin. Ang dami ng mga altcoins talaga nalagpasan niya. And on the final thoughts, Pi Network's recent surge has captured the attention of the crypto world, driven by strong community engagement and the speculation around the potential Binance listing. While $10 remains an ambitious target, the token's recent momentum suggests that further gains are possible. So, totoo nga yun guys kasi kung isipin nyo from $1.53, umangat agad sa loob lang ng isang araw ng 2.98. So, almost, ayun guys, almost 100% yun sa loob ng isang araw. So, ayun nga, sobrang laki ng community, kaya yung market cap talaga guys, palaki ng palaki. And also guys, investors should keep an eye on key developments including Binance stance, the KYC deadline impact, and broader market trends. So, yun nga guys, so the KYC deadline, kung mapapansin nyo, kapag yung mga unverified, so mababurn lang yung token, so abangan nyo yung magiging impact nun. Ayun din pala yung isang bagay na dapat yung i-check. So, ayun lang guys, yung i-share natin sa inyo, and kung meron kayong ibang thoughts dyan, comment nyo lang yan guys sa ating comment section. So, Pi to the moon na ba? And aabot ba to ng $10? So, ayan, update na lang natin kayo sa ating mga next video. And also, kung gusto nyo maging updated pa guys sa PiCoin, and also gusto nyo sumali ng ating pag-giveaway, please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell. And also guys, pa-like na rin and also pa-share. So, maraming salamat guys. At once again, this is Hans, and God bless.